Dragon-inspired makeup tutorial, Chinese Zodiac Makeup Edition. Starting with the eyes by sketching dragon wings with black eyeshadow until you have achieved a desired shape. Feather the brows upwards with brow gel, fill them in, and apply shadow primer and begin blending and shading all the wings' edges with black eyeshadow. I applied a neon pink on the edge corners with some red on top, along with a matte and shimmer orange on the upper crease to represent happiness and fire. I used a matte yellow color, a gold shimmer, and glitter all over the inner and midsection of the eyelids and highlighted the brow bone to represent earth, wealth, and prosperity. I used a black waterproof eyeliner pen and gel liner to indicate water and to detail the wings effect. To enhance the look, I cut and applied this fluffy little devil-style false lashes, added pink on the waterline, then moved onto the face. Foundation, concealer, setting powder, contour, blush, and highlighter. Look at that glow! For the lips, I used this beautiful matte pink and added some gold in the center. Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. If you want to see which products I used in this video, I'll post it on my IG and YouTube channel. For this video, I created these Crochet Dragon Horns. As you can see, I'm not just a makeup artist and a cosmetologist. I'm also crafty and love to create most of my props for my videos. Let me know if you would like to see a tutorial for these horns. Hope to see you soon in my YouTube channel. Happy Lunar New Year, and thank you for watching.